if you're experiencing a problem with your XLERATOR hand dryer, it could be one of two things generally. One is that the motor has stopped working, and the other is that the sensor has stopped working. The nice thing, and this is the inside of an XLERATOR hand dryer, is that there's a series of lights right at the bottom of the hand dryer that you can look at when it's powered, and depending on how those lights are arranged, it will tell you what the problem is. And you can see that in the XLERATOR manual, what those lights are supposed to look like. If it's the sensor, what will happen is if you put your hand below the sensor, nothing will happen because the hand dryer is not sensing anything and nothing happens. If it's the motor, you may hear a clicking, but then nothing happens, or it may grind, it may try to go when you put your hands under there, and then you know it's the motor. Okay, so if it's the motor, it used to be, and here's one of the older motors, and we still have some of these in stock, but these motors have motor brushes on them, and it often would be the motor brush that has worn off, and so you could purchase a new motor brush and simply replace that. And we still have some of these at BERL'S Commercial Supply. The newer motors, however, the motor brushes are much longer lasting, and they're curved and they're on the inside, so you don't see the motor brush at all. So when one of the newer motors has crapped out on you, you need to simply replace the motor itself. So this is a replacement motor, and you can purchase this from us at BERL'S Commercial Supply, and you can install that within the hand dryer itself. If you're concerned that maybe there's some other issues, or if that's just too much work and you'd rather just simply upgrade it, you can purchase this, which is the sub-assembly. And this sub-assembly is everything that you need, everything but the cover of the hand dryer. So you can get this sub-assembly and just install that and put the cover back on, and you're good to go. And that's going to get you an updated 7-year warranty.